Welcome to Yardie Belly TV, and it is the onset of the Jamaica vlog series, the Wifie edition. Yes, I'm pushing out, guys, and my family will not be coming, and that's so sad. Really, really bittersweet going to Jamaica without the family. I mean, I try my best to get them to come, but they are not really interested.
Because you want freedom?
For various reasons. Who can deal with cold water, and who can deal with no AC, and who can deal with no Wi-Fi, and who can deal with no cable.
And who not no money.
Who not have this and who not have that. But anyway, guys, it's like a bittersweet trip because we're going for one reason to celebrate my dad's 70th surprise birthday party. However, his mom last week lost her husband, so it's gonna be, kind of a somber situation, having, to embrace that on the trip also. So anyway, guys, just follow me on the journey, and I will try to vlog as much as I can, if it's worthy of vlogging, that is. I will miss that one in the back, and I will miss this one in the front. So the drama has begun, guys, believe it or not. How about my two pieces of luggage were overweight? Both of them, not one, but the two of them, right? And I tried everything. I tried to remove things from, try to stuff into my backpack, which is a small piece of, like a pocketbook. I tried to stuff stuff in there. I thought of using some scandal bags, some plastic bags that I had in the suitcase to stuff the stuff in, but I'm like, no, that's gonna look too ghetto. So you know what? I had to cave in and just deal with it, suck it up, pay the $35 for the second piece, and yeah. But I'm not gonna allow anything to stress me this trip. I made up my mind that regardless of what comes my way, I'm just gonna smile for it. So $35. I know that there's more coming from the east, west, the north, and the south. So I'm not gonna stress over you. But no, I'm just, praying for a safe travel. And Jamaica, here I come. So I'm not playing any games, guys. I'm super hungry and trying to get a quick snack. So I'm at this Mexican place. Don't ask me why I choose to eat Mexican food when going on a plane, but pray for me. In case it is. I just landed and they're waiting on my devs to come get me. I think she's stuck in traffic. But I'm just sitting chilling, guys. It's so nice and breezy. I'm so happy that it's not humid because I'm not about that humid life. Leave the humidity in Miami. And I'm so grateful for the island breeze. Can you see the breeze blowing in my hair? Yes. Yes, I'm just waiting. Excited. Baby, stop me, I'm gonna get free. Guys, we're at First Missionary Church, my home church, the place that I got baptized and all of that stuff. But I can't see the sign. You don't pay with people down at this East Street place, yeah? But this is First Church, so nostalgic. All the memories. First Missionary Church, guys. Philip, First Missionary Church, Philip. Choir practice. Say bye, guys. Bye.